welcome to my crib. Hey guys, welcome to my first ever apartment. Let's go, come in. Welcome. Good morning, my neighbors. How you doing? Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you a tour of my apartment. This is my first time to ever live alone. So this is a proper adulting for me. Like, I'm excited, I'm anxious, and I'm just super excited that you guys get to experience this new journey with me. This is a brand new chapter of my life and I'm super excited for what God has in store. It's going to be amazing. My family have blessed me, my dad has blessed me with this journey, and I know my mom has blessed me as well where she is, and I'm just so thankful to God for everything. My big sister's behind the camera. She has been amazing. Get yourself a sis like journey lifestyle, okay? Anyway, so this is my foyer. This is my reception as you come in. This is the corridor. It's quite big. So what I'm thinking to do is to get like a console table here. I'll change the light because it's a bit plain. So we've got a telecom. So when people come into the house, they can call down there and then I will answer and see their face on here, which is super cute, very modern. It's a one-bed apartment because it's just me. So anyway, over here, I may get like a chest of drawer just for extra storage because I need as much storage as possible. And then in here is my utility room. The light should come on, yeah. Here's my utility room. It's quite big. The washing machine will go here, and then I'm gonna get a rack rail, and I'm gonna put the rack rail here. My food, like big rice, you know, oil, all that stuff will go in here.
All the semolina.
All the semolina will go in here, and alongside the rack rail, because the room is gonna, I want it to just be my bed and my walk-in wardrobe. So yeah, that's my utility room. So that's my utility room, and over here, as you walk in, this is the bathroom. So bathroom is decent size as well, right? Do you like it? I love the white towels. I think it looks really clean, really effortless. And listen, we're gonna be taking some selfies in here, baby. What? It's very echoey in here because obviously there's nothing. There's no furniture. My sister's been laughing at me saying, your house has nothing, no chairs, no food, we're sitting on the floor, no water. I was like, listen, just wait, okay? Be patient, be patient. So guys, come in. How cute is this? So I've got a little vanity here, mirror, skincare. All my skincare will go here. I cannot wait. Finally, Shadrach, my brother, will not be able to steal my skincare anymore. Shadrach. Nah. He's actually here and he's like, really? So exciting. Cameraman is there. Hi. And then we've got a beautiful sink here, but don't worry guys, we need to bleach up this whole place with the Holy Spirit, okay? We're gonna do that on Friday, but I do need to physically bleach it and stuff as well. I think it's a brand new apartment, but we just need to make sure that everything is top notch. So we've got a gorgeous little sink. I'm gonna get a cabinet here as well, just for extra storage, to put all my hair products and stuff like that. And the toilet, obviously. Flush system is really cute as well. Brand new, modern. And then we have the bath, which is also quite nice as well. Shower head, you guys know I love my showers. The only thing is though, I need to get like a shower curtain, and you guys know I hate shower curtains. I wish we had like a little glass opening here. That would be nice. But in the meantime, I'll get a, what do you call it? Like a nice shower curtain. And then we've got my radiator here. To hang my towels and things like that, which is amazing, and I'm looking forward to using it. I can hang my robes here, which is great. So yeah, this is my bathroom. And then let's switch off the lights. You know, I've been paying for it my whole life, but this is my own bill, so you've got to switch it off. Come through to the bedroom. So we have a carpet in this bedroom, and I've never had a carpet in any of my houses before. So now I'm like, no shoes, please. Even if you're barefoot, you need to go to the bathroom first and clean your feet, okay? Because I want to keep this as nice and clean as possible. So, camera person, are your feet clean?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so welcome to my bedroom. This is my room. This is my closet, my bedroom space. Like I said, it's just me, so one bedroom is enough for me. My walk-in wardrobe will go here on this wall, and probably start from this side to here. I've got a beautiful view to wake up to. Good morning, neighbours! And I like that I have what are these called? Blinds. I've got a blind there, which is cute. I can open the windows as well. I've left the key in the kitchen. I can open the window and get some fresh air. I'm thinking my bed will go here, so that, because I usually sleep on the left hand side, and I can get a nice view. My walk-in wardrobe will go here, my bed will go that way, and my dressing table will go here, I think. That's what I'm thinking so far. So yeah, it's a decent size carpet room, so loads of magic, loads of creativeness gonna happen in here, loads of new videos, loads of cute glam pictures are gonna happen. Watch this space, baby, because your girl is back. Guys, I'm so excited. So yeah, let me take you, I'm gonna save the best to last. Okay guys, so next part is my living room slash kitchen. It's an open plan, and yeah, like I really like this space, and I want to use this space for filming as well, which is amazing. So the cameraman is yawning because they're hungry. Come through.
Camera woman.
Oh yeah, come. This is my kitchen. Thumbnail. Start. Okay, so here, this is a drawer where I'll keep all my utensils. Yeah, so it doesn't have a lot of storage, but I think for one person is enough, isn't it? I'll keep some stuff there. Maybe my seasoning will go here. I don't know what's gonna go in here. I've got a lovely brand new cooker, which is nice. Love the black and white color. The theme is amazing, goes really well with the rest of the house. Grill, oven, perfect, love it. And then yeah, we have more cabinets here. Here I'll probably have like my, I don't know, glasses, you know, wine glasses. We've got sipping on some champagne, baby. Have some of that in here. And then here I might do like my little plates, stuff like that. And then here I'll do more plates, and then so on. We'll see, maybe this will be my snack drawer. Oh my God. I can have a snack drawer now without somebody eating all my snacks. I'm not saying any names. He's right. Do you want to come tell them?
Yeah, tell them that you take my snacks too.
I don't take his snacks.
You guys have every story.
Okay guys, so, and then we've got the sink area, and I love that it's all in one. Very nice and modern. Here I've got my bin and recycling. I don't know, I think here my pots will go there. Go in here. And then here's a dishwasher area, but you know, I'm an African girl, I like to use my hands, okay? So I don't think I'll be getting dishwasher. And here's my fridge. There's nothing in here apart from Laurent Perrier. That's it. Because my sister's laughing because you're gonna be popping some champagne, baby. And oh, I know why she's laughing, because what's about to come here, you're gonna laugh. Guys, I'm such a Congolese girl. Look, come. Look. My freezer has kwanga and pondu. Can you imagine? Mantaba is waiting in the car, so yeah, we'll have daba and kwanga there, okay? Because my sister's laughing at me that my house is empty, I don't have no food, I don't have no chairs. She's like, I'm hungry, I need to eat. Where's the food?
I need to sit down.
My bum's hurting. I'm like, really? Okay, and then here we've got some spotlights, which I really love, because when it's dark in the evening, and the fact that I can just control which switch I want, I could just have this one on, or I can have both, or I can have all the lights in turned on at the same time, which is amazing. So this is my living room. What do you think? If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But this is my living space. I mean, it's not been an empty apartment at all because my little baby's here. My bag, I got like a little side table and she's just chilling there. I'm thinking the sofa to go here. And I'm thinking the dining table to go there. Perhaps TV will go here. And then, yeah, but we'll see. Maybe the dining table can go here. I'm not sure yet. But I think it might be quite interesting. Yeah, this is it. Let me take you to my balcony. Come, we're waiting for babe. Let's go. My darlings, this is my balcony. I wish I could show you the view, but the area is so distinctive. But I'm still in London and yeah, loving it. Guys, how massive is this balcony? It's actually so big. I'm gonna get like a set of a lounge seating, but I'm thinking to get a sofa bed, outdoor one, so that when people come in, I can bring it into the house. So that will go on that side, and I'll have 2 sets of chairs here, a little table, maybe something else to go here, I don't know, but like maybe get like a little side table. Listen baby, the barbecues will be having in here. I can't wait to host to my friends and family and just, you know, have loads of dinners, loads of drinks. I can't wait to have my breakfast out here. I can't wait to come out here, read a book, look at this beautiful view. Good morning my neighbours, how you doing?
Fuck you. Fuck you too.
What you do?
I know. That's why every time you say good morning, I can't help but say fuck you. Fuck you too.
I am honestly just so happy, so thankful to God, because this is everything that I've been wanting, I've been planning for so long. I've had so many ups and downs to get this place, or I've been looking for an apartment for a year and a bit now, to be fair, literally constantly looking, and I've had loads of no's. When you're self-employed, it's so difficult, but God is good. I said by June 2021, my sister even reminded me, she's like, Itarisha, you said June 2021 you need to be in your apartment, and it's happened. The power of the tongue, guys. Anyway, let's go inside. I hope you have enjoyed watching my video. This was my empty apartment tour 2021. I'm super excited to embark on this journey. This is my first time living alone, so I'm quite scared. I'm a scaredy cat, so it's going to take me a while to get used to being alone, because every little thing I'm like, literally, the feather is just living its best life from this outside the balcony. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is here at @ADouche. Subscribe and let me know which part was your favorite. And I love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for all your love and all your support. I wouldn't be here without you guys, so thank you, and God and my family, so thank you so much. Mwah. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.